So excuse the mess, but this is a pro tip for using on the Prusa. When using heated bed, always use this kind of rag or some kind of this is microfiber cloth for dusting, and put it on your heated bed in order to speed up process of heating. Currently I'm heating the heated bed to 95 degrees, and using this technique cuts time like in half. I can get to 95 degrees in about 7 minutes or something like that, instead of 20 before. Yeah, before I used higher temperatures, so yeah. But definitely try it. Use some kind of cloth that is of course not flammable and that can withstand high temperatures like dust cloths and something like that, and give it a shot.